Annyeonghaseyo. Okay. So no class today. So since wala si kuano, Irisha ug si Irene na pa sa school. And then teacher Jen is also in work. Okay. So you will take a video sa ilang duha later kung abot sila. Then I'm here to deliver also your bugas. You have here 25 kilogram of rice, 1 pack of Jin ramen. Okay. Sinin, 2,000 pesos for your Hakyupom school supplies. Okay, 2,000 pesos. And 2,000 pesos also for your savings. Okay? Okay. And for Irisha and Irene, so they also have 2 bugas 5 kilogram and 2 chocopie each. Okay, take a video in there, ha? And then 500 pesos each for Irisha and Irene allowance. Okay, and that is from Dongjunim.
Dongjunim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye bye.